Morning, you guys. So we are just about to head to California for the weekend for my nephew's birthday. So I thought I would do a little weekend vlog. I started vlogging, I think it was like 2 weeks ago now, when we went to Tucson for my niece's wedding, and I thought I was going to be able to vlog a lot more than I did, but I did end up getting a few clips, so I do want to go ahead and add that to this video. So this whole vlog is probably going to be all over the place. I'm probably going to do a weekend vlog, like I said, so multiple days put together. But I definitely wanted to include a little bit of her wedding.
I, Anthony, take you, Corey.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
I, Corey, take you, Anthony.
I, Corey, take you, Anthony.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
Now, finally, pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss this beautiful bride.
Hey you guys, so I was meaning to start this vlog earlier, but the day has been flying by and we just got here to my niece's wedding. We came to Tucson for the weekend, so just a quick little trip. Say hi!
First, we just want to thank everybody for coming, showing up. Everybody in this room is here for a reason. We love you guys all very, very much. You guys are all very near and dear to mine and Anthony's hearts.
We're just getting here to IKEA.
How about this? Mac and cheese with the meatball. Want to?
You don't like the macaroni, Abby? It's good. What about you, Raya? You want more potato? Yummy. What, the juice? Is it good?
Oh yeah, man. Come on, girl.
No, I really like this.
They didn't really have anything new right now. I thought they would have a lot more fall stuff. It's like a whole thing.
Oh, if you want like a big pot. Probably still tired. Sorry.
Abby, you sleepy?
Yummy. All done. All done. Eat you. Thank you. You already had some dinner, Mama. So much to choose from.
We need some curtains for the living room. We're thinking of getting these green ones. Since our living room is really beige, we want to add some color to it. Is it? All done? Thank you. I'm not sure how long we were in there, but it's 3:30 now and we got a few things. I'll probably do a haul once we get back home. We mainly wanted to come to get Araya a high chair like the one Aviana has, so we got that. Got a few more things. Now I think we're gonna go find some donuts. I seen that they have the ones that look like our favorite donuts that we would get in Japan, so I think we might go there, and then we're also gonna go to the exchange.
So me and my mom the other day were watching their old videos and we saw us eating the donuts in Japan. So we found one in San Diego.
Yeah. I really hope these are good because these are the most expensive donuts we've ever gotten. The boys got matcha. I got strawberry. And George got churro flavor. Did you try it, JD? You haven't tried it? What? Oh, does it taste like the one from Japan, babe? No? Oh man. Is yours good, JD? Try it, Jaden.
Okay. It does, but it doesn't.
Yeah. Good? Moment of truth. The donut itself tastes like it, but the flavoring doesn't. Like the flavoring. Want to try it?
Hold on.
The flavoring is like fake tasting. We just left the exchange. Now we're at McDonald's getting some food. The boys already started eating, but we're gonna head over to my in-laws. When we were driving in, we ended up seeing like the ending of the Blue Angels air show, which was really cool. I really want to go to the actual show. It was so cool that they were like right over us, but the base is jam-packed right now. So we're kind of just like waiting it out, and then we're gonna head over to my in-laws. Hey you guys, it's the next day now. It's kind of dark in here, but it's already like 2:45. The girls are taking a nap right now. We ended up getting to my in-laws kind of late last night. There was so much traffic getting here, so we just hung out outside for a while. The kids played, and then that was pretty much it. It was such a long night. Aviana always wakes up a ton of times throughout the night anytime we stay anywhere. But anyways, like I said, they're taking a nap right now. They already have a jumper outside, a taco man, and all of that. So I thought I would start off this video before I go out there and it's super loud.
You will never be alone. Indigo sunset, it's the only way to go. I've been waiting for the fallout in the middle of the night. In this dynamite castle, you and me will be alright.
Hey, nosy.
Fatty.
Hi. We're back at the house now. I thought I would go ahead and end off this video by doing a quick little IKEA haul now that the girls are napping. I have this huge tote from there, but we actually didn't end up getting very much. The main thing we went for was a high chair for Araya, so we just went with the classic white one from there. It's the same one we have for Aviana. It comes in pieces, so we have the tray and then the legs. The insert and like the accessories and stuff for it I always just get from Amazon. I picked up some more of these hangers for the girls' room. I always end up grabbing a couple every time we go. And then I got another tote from there. This one is just plain with these blue handles, and then it says IKEA on the side, and this was only like $2 or $3. And then the curtain that I had showed you guys when we were in the store, George already hung it up and it ended up being too short. And I think the neck size was gonna be too long. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get the other size and just try it, or if I'll end up getting completely different curtains, but I'm gonna have to return that. And then we had also got all of the things that we were gonna need to hang it up. And then I ended up picking up a couple of these frames. I used to always get these white ones, and they've all broken over time with our moves and stuff. So I just needed to pick up some more. I want to start hanging up more pictures in the house. I only have a couple of the boys, and I have no pictures of the girls printed. So I definitely need to do that. So I got 2 white ones and this pretty green color. And then the last thing that I got was this really pretty picture. It's a little random. It's a bench with these roses and some pears, but I thought it was really pretty. I'm gonna probably hang it in the living room. But that is everything that we got. So like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little haul before I ended this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.